Los Angeles County Sheriff's Department in Los Angeles County has issued an Amber Alert. The Los Angeles County Sheriff's Department is investigating the disappearance or abduction of a child in Los Angeles, California. Kai-Lan, a 6-year-old Chinese-American girl named from Idaho. Kai-Lan, with black pigtails, 2 blonde hair, brown eyes, and was last seen wearing light blue cute-off shirt with 2 red hearts, a red robe with a green circle necklace on her front, orange striped shorts, and red Adidas shoes. Last seen in her kitchen bed asleep. It is unknown where she is or when seen him. Lock wine goes, and doors, and hide in the basement for shelter in place.